Hey everyone, welcome to back my YouTube channel. Everyone, how are you? And I am fine. And you comment now. And everyone, and video tell I am Shonrana. And everyone, this video like and comment, share, channel, subscribe now. And please subscribe now. And start video. Exit question. In a collision with luggage, commercial truck, passenger vehicle compressed are likely to suffer serious injuries because of the difference in the height and size of the two types of vehicle. Injured claims for truck. Accidents are often complicated, but because of the extent of injuries as well as the multiple parties who may be liable for the accidents. So everyone, if you have been injured or your liable on killed in a accident involving a tractor, trailer, or other later take your best course of action into consulate with a knowledgeable and track weak layers as soon as possible. Pick with an actoring before we tell to industry. Adjust and before you sing anything, below our answer to some question with and the very important is commonly can ask it question about truck accident. Everyone truck accidents is ask it question. Good about truck accident is nice. For answer to your display SPCIFAC is fixed questions. Contact us now for a free consultation and claim review. Everyone. And how many layers commercial truck are on the loaded? How friendly truck accident occur? When are accidents involving truck often so much more serious than other types of accidents? Do like yes. So when this video last and this channel, subscribe now and new video like on share and goodbye.